Focus. Okay. Finally, long awaited. Got a package in today that I've been waiting for a while. I did this video before. I'm gonna do it again because it's a very good, you know, it's just a good thing to put on your car. We will once again be installing a Zl1 Addons wicker bill. Materials needed: obviously a drill, a 1/16 bit for a pilot hole, a 3/8 for the actual hole, masking tape, pen, and the supplied rivet gun and hardware, which comes all in here. First thing you want to do, clean the surface off. I've already done it with some type of alcohol or something like that. We'll be drilling into this. You want to make sure everything is clean and tidy. Next, you want to get your masking tape. You want to mask off everything here, like the whole back of this wing. You need to do this so you can start marking off where you're going to drill for the wicker bill. Now that we got all this masked off, make sure you try to fill in as much area. I'm going to fill this in too, but try to fill in a nice amount of area. The holes are going to be somewhere in the middle, but just in case, just make sure you get, you know, a nice amount filled off, and so you can mark it off with your pen. Next, you want to get your wicker bill out because you're going to need this to measure everything up. Be careful with it because it can break easy. Now this part's going to be harder to do by yourself, but I'm going to make it work since I actually know what to do this time. You need to measure this up and tape. We're going to tape it on since it's just us working out here today, and tape it on around the sides and get it kind of flush looking so I can start getting an idea of where the holes got to be. And I'm going to mark it off with a pen since it's kind of hard to tape it down. I lined it up basically the middle circle with the GT. Kind of line that straight up, straight down. That's probably the best bet, so you can get that everything going straight in middle and even in the middle. I know that then when this is lined up, it kind of, I'm going to be drilling the hole right there. So after that, I should be able to screw in that, and then it'll stay. And then I'll be able it'll be easier to make the rest of the holes because I have that one drilled in the middle. Wow, my bit came off. We got our 3/8. Make sure it's on there. Should be good this time. So this is not perfect. This is not, but I did what I said. Well, the other one, the middle one's right there. I got these all lined up. These are not perfectly lined up because this is kind of falling down. I'm not gonna drill right there, obviously, but just mark it off first and then drill. I got them all marked off. Let's drill. These things in now, right? And to make sure, I'm making sure I'm not making them as big as this hole. This hole is too big, so I'm making these a little smaller, and then I'm just hammering them in, so then I won't even have to use the rip gun. I didn't use the rip gun to put these in. I'll probably do it just to make sure they're like crimped into the hole and don't fall out. I know for a fact this middle one is, and maybe even this one here because it's kind of on the edge, but I'm gonna test fit it. If I messed it up, well, it's a fail then. If I didn't, then I didn't. More like that. Start peeling this off, and the other one. Get somebody to hold it, and then you get them in. My holes weren't perfect, but as you can see, it's all on, looking good. That's it. Now I gotta go to work. The finished results right here. Camera's gonna die. Good all around. About to eat that, but whatever. Alright, so that's it for the install. I had to go. I'll show you a better shot in this video. You probably already saw the better shot, or on Instagram, of course. Should be a little bit more detailed. Here we go. the video, if it helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, browse the channel, follow me on Instagram, and have a nice day.